Hello everyone! Welcome to this Bold Reports tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to embed the Report Designer control from Report Server into an Angular application. The Report Designer is a web-based reporting tool for creating and editing RDL standard reports. It offers a wide range of report items to transform data into meaningful insights. You can easily build reports using features like data source connections, a user-friendly interface, report parameters, expressions, and more. Before diving into video, ensure that your development environment includes Node.js and NPM. Let me show you the steps to embed the Report Designer control from Report Server into an Angular application. Before creating a new Angular application, I need to install the Angular CLI globally on my machine. I open a command prompt and run the installation command. Angular CLI is a command line interface tool that helps developers create, manage, and maintain Angular applications. Next, I create an Angular application and name it Angular Report Designer. The ng-new command prompts you to choose features for the initial app setup. I accept the default values by pressing Enter. Next, I configure the Bold Report Designer component. I change the directory to the application's root folder and install the necessary NPM packages. First, I install the Bold Reports Angular library package, which provides Angular components for reporting functionalities. Then, I install the Bold Reports Types package, which provides TypeScript definitions for the Bold Reports library. I open the application in Visual Studio Code for editing. Next, I configure the types for the entire application. I open the tsconfig.app.json file and register types and Bold Reports types under type roots. I also add jQuery and reports.all under types. The Report Designer requires a window jQuery object to render the component. So I create a global.ts file within the src folder and import jQuery. I also create a window instance to ensure that the jQuery library is globally available in the browser environment. Next, to reference Report Designer scripts and style sheets, I open the angular.json file. Copy the Report Designer component style from the documentation and add it to the Style section under Angular Report Designer. I use the Tailwind Light theme, but you can choose a theme based on your application's needs. I have provided the documentation link in the video description. Next, I will initialize the Report Designer in the application. I open the app.module.ts file, import the globals, and Bold Report Designer module from Angular Reporting Components. I add the Report Viewer and Designer component scripts, and import the Bold Report Designer module within the ng module class. Next, I open the app.component.ts file and declare service URL, report server URL, and server service authorization token API within the app component class. Since the Bold Report Server application is hosted on my machine, I assign appropriate values to these properties in the constructor based on the server configuration. There are three options for generating the authorization token for the Bold Reports report server. In this demo, I will embed a secret API key. I open the Report Server application and navigate to my profile. I select a personal access token on this page and click Generate Token. Then I choose Yes to generate the authentication token. I copy the authentication token and add it to the application. For the other ways to generate the token, refer to the documentation linked in the video description. Next, to invoke the Report Designer on the client side to create the report, I open the app.component.html file and add the Bold Report Designer tag by removing the existing code. This is a custom HTML element provided by the Bold Reports library, which renders the designer within a web application. Inside the tag, I add the ID attribute. Service URL. Report server URL. Service authorization token API property. And style. The ID attribute specifies the unique name for the HTML element, so I assign the value Report Designer control. The service URL specifies the web API service URL. Report server URL specifies the server information. Service authorization token authorizes access to the report server and APIs. Now everything is ready to run the application. I run the ngserve command. When the URL is generated, I copy and paste it in the browser. The Report Designer is loaded in the browser. Then, I add some report items to the canvas. And save the report to the server application. As you can see, the created report is now available in the report server application. In this video, I have shown you how to embed the Report Designer control from the report server into an Angular application. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.